deal, man? It's JT back with another video. I know I've been ghost MIA for most of the month. It's a day after Christmas, man. Shout out to y'all if y'all celebrated, all that good stuff. Going into the new year in a few days. I think it's December 26th, about to be the 27th in a few hours. Yeah, man, I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update. I was promoting back and forth from ClickBank and Max Bounty, but now I'm back to Max Bounty because they got me back approved on my favorite offers. As you can see, that's where the numbers dipped off at. So the month of December so far in ClickBank, first check was $597, $765. Week after that was $495. Might as well say $500. And then with Max Bounty, since I switched back to promoting the CPL offers, I want to say over the last 9 or 10 days, we made a little over $4,000, as you can see, for the month. Yesterday, $387. Today, $447. So we back rolling with that. I was mad as hell. They took me off my favorite offer at first, but we back rolling. Because I've been MIA for the month, I decided to run a quick little sale on the Fastlane affiliate course. I'm actually about to update the video because I didn't even know it wasn't even updated all the way. That's my fault. But yeah, I got the course on sale still for $17. You can get access to it, man. This is shit been printing money since May. I've been trying to tell y'all, like, okay, my strategies work with Max Bounty. As you can see, it work with ClickBank as well. If you got my other course, I forgot what I named the course last time, but it's kind of all the same stuff. It's just like learning ClickBank and learning Max Bounty at the same time. And I teach my new editing style inside of the Fastlane affiliate course. And like I said, it's only $17, bro. And then 7 videos inside the training course showing you how to set everything up step by step. Got the private Facebook group, everything you need to get up and going. Don't go into the new year doing the same shit, man. So you want to get to the commissions, get to the money, lock in, man. Links will be in the description or in the comment section down below. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, leave it down below. And I'm late for this party, so let me hurry up and get up out of here. So all links will be in the description. I'll see y'all in the next video, hopefully tomorrow.